What is 0.125 in expanded form? Okay, let me give you some basic point. After before decimal, we say ones column, tens column, hundreds column, but after decimal, we we say there is no ones column in after decimal, but we have tenths column, then hundreds column, then thousands column, 10,000 column. Okay, tenth column means 1 over 10, hundreds column mean 1 over 100, thousands column mean 1 over 1000. We have TASS at the end. So now to write the expanded form of this decimal number, we have to write the place value of each digit with addition sign. The the place value of 1 is what? 1, the position of this one is 10th column. So 1 tenth, TENTHS. So the place value of 1 is 1 tenth, plus the place value of 2 is 2, the position of this column. 2 is in hundredth column. AC 100, here EDTHS. Okay, THS 200, plus here we have 5. So 5 is in hundreds column, then thousands column. Thousand, 5,000. THOUSAND. THS is common for all the columns after decimal. 5,000s. So 1 tenth means 1 time 1 over 10. 2 hundredths means 1 over 100, plus 5,000s means 5 times 1 over 1000. So the expanded form of 0.125 is this. We can also, or you can write the expanded form of like this. We have 1 0, so decimal point will move 1 places here. So decimal 1, plus here 2 0, so decimal point will move 2 places. 1 place, placeholder 0, 2 place. Plus here 3 0 means decimal point will move 3 places. Okay, so this or this is the expanded form.